Hello my fellow Australians and everyone else watching around the world. Now today I'm going to make a classic Aussie burger. It's the bacon and egg roll or a bacon and egg burger. You can find these usually at most takeaway shops or fish and chip shops. They're also a great hangover food. Now there's a few different varieties of how people like to make theirs, but today I'm going to show you how I like to make mine. Let's do it.
This is Greg's Kitchen.
Now this one's going to be pretty fancy. What I'm using today is some good old Aussie bacon. It's the best in the world. I've even got an extra bit just in case, because more bacon is better than less. I've got a couple of eggs, a few slices of cheese, some onion, a bread roll, and the sauce I'm using today is barbecue sauce. It's my preferred sauce. And most of the time if you do go and buy one of these, it is slathered in barbecue sauce. Anyway, I'm fanging. Let's start cooking. Okay, well I'm doing it in the frying pan today, so we need to warm that up. Has it warmed up yet? Yes it has. So I'll just put a little bit of olive oil in there and get these onions cooking because they take the longest to cook. Start frying those up. That smells so nice. Now, got to get this bacon on. Start that cooking. If there's any space, you have to make some. And while that bacon's cooking, we might as well prepare the bread. Whack some butter on. Because, I mean, butter. It's an Australian condiment, isn't it? Actually, I think it could be an international condiment that everyone just loves to use. All right, how's this bacon going? Slowly but surely. Oh yeah. Give those a bit of a mix as well. Now I don't mind some toasty buns, so I might give those a whirl in the old air fryer. About, 3 minutes? Oops. And how's this going over here? Yep, looking good. Lovely. Well, it's looking pretty good, so I might make some space here. And we'll get the eggs on. Now I'm going to use 2 eggs today. You can use 1 or you can use 17. But I think maybe 2 might just be enough. Just for today's sanger. Oh yeah. Get back in line, sunshine. Alright, well this is nearly ready. I just need to do a quick flip of these eggs to cook that gooey stuff that I don't particularly like to eat. I can turn that off now. And, well, we can pretty much start throwing this Aussie classic together. Alright, let's start doing this. So first, I might throw some onions down on the bottom. Now I might add some barbecue sauce. It's going to be pretty saucy, this burger. Put some bacon on. Now I might throw an egg on here. And, well, I got some more onion. Might as well make a few layers, huh? Some more bacon. I might put the cheese on there because that hot bacon will help it melt. And last bit of egg. And ideally, probably want a bit more sauce on top. Yeah, we'll finish it off with a bun on top. And there you have it. The old classic bacon and egg burger. Can't wait to dive in. Now this could get messy, so make sure you're wearing a bib. Oh, I love these things. And I hope you love your taste of Australia too. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I cook something. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the reviews are